Alright, it's day 34 in the freezing snow. I have to make another expedition. It's currently so cold that it's approximately minus 180 degrees Celsius. That's about 45 in Fahrenheit. As you can see behind me, it's a catastrophic snowstorm. If anyone is going to make it through this storm, it's going to be me. I have over 44 years experience in the SAS. As you can see, there have been a few people trying to walk. Surely none of them have survived. However, my survival instincts always kick in when it's the most dangerous. Right now, you can see a lot of these houses are snowed in. They won't be able to open up for at least another 2 weeks. So the temperature's just dropped. It's gotten even colder. The snow it's everywhere. I'm trying to cross the road there. It's a fucking nightmare. I'm getting snow in my eyes, in my nose. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Walking this trail is very dangerous. There was once a tribe of Aboriginal pygmies that used to walk this very trail I'm walking now. However, they'd normally wait for about 4 months for the snow to die down. Unfortunately, that's not a luxury I've been afforded. This snow is getting deeper and deeper. At the moment, it's up to my knees. It's going to be a hard journey.